how to delete all your photos on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can delete all of our photos from iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, deleting all of our photos from iPhone is fairly simple. You can select multiple pictures at once using the Photos app itself. So what you can do here is just open the Photos application here, and then you can simply go to the library section. Once you go to library, at the very top right hand side you can see the select button. So you can tap the select button here and then simply go ahead and actually drag it to, let's say, the part that you would like to delete. So you can go ahead and then drag it to as many as possible that you want to delete. Tap the delete option, which is the trash icon here, and then tap on the delete button to delete any sort of applications that you have. This way you should be able to go ahead and then delete all photos on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.